We're starting out with this little nightlight buddy whose belly pushes on and off, comes with a fabulous little story about monsters under the bed and things bumping in the closet to give your child a sense of ease before going to sleep at night. We also have some keepsake items for both little boys and little girls. These are precious little ceramic containers that hold their first lock of hair, their first tooth, things that you definitely want to keep as a parent. We also have the spring footwear. These are so fun, little galoshes for the children to run around in the rain in, very fashionable. We also have this great little Tickle Monster book. This is a cute little story that comes with gloves you can actually put your fingers into and tickle their little toes and knees and noses as you tell the story. Really a nice gift idea. And over here we've got two little ones here modeling our clothing. Can you come by me, Jaden and Grayson? If you hear the squeaking, that's the little shoes they're wearing. They're squeak shoes, keeps them in earshot when you're shopping. But they're both wearing Le Top fashion wear. It's completely washable. Jaden's little outfit here has a treasure pocket to keep little things in when he's shopping. This is the rolling backpack, great for going to grandma's house, taking on the airplane, filling with books, things to keep your child occupied. And over here we've got some little girl models. This is Olivia, and she's wearing rabbit too. Can you stand up, Olivia, and show them your pretty outfit, please? She's also pulling the rolling backpack. You saw the boys carrying it, but they can also push and pull, and the little toy snaps out, so they've got something to play with. And over here is little Ashland. As you can see with the outfits, we have hair pieces that go along with it. In addition, there's a lot of other gift ideas that we carry, a lot more fashion wear, and we'll show you more to come. We also offer special occasion wear here at Homestead Decor. We have tuxedos for little boys and beautiful dresses for little girls, many different styles to choose from. We have our models back showing some of these outfits right now, and we'd like to invite you into Homestead Decor, where we have more than just decor.